Hey guys, it's your man here, Dubbing Sir, back with another awesome video, guys. And in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to get Photoshop for free. Yeah, guys, Photoshop for free without no money, no anything. So yeah, guys, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so first thing you want to do, guys, is just basically go to your browser and type in Photopea, like what I have right here. Then you're going to click on it, and after you click on it, it's going to bring you to this website. Now guys, this website is basically an online Photoshop. You don't need to download anything. It's basically Photoshop here for free. So as you guys can see, it has all the features as Photoshop, and all you have to do is just click a new project, and you can search for tutorials on YouTube showing you guys how to use it. So basically it has all the stuff like Photoshop, and I don't really know how to use Photoshop, so yeah, I can't really show you guys how to do anything on this. But guys, if you do know how to use Photoshop, comment down below telling me. So yeah, these guys should help you and do everything that Photoshop does. I'm not really good with Photoshop, so I'm just showing you guys right now. So yeah, that's basically it. Okay guys, so you have made it to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below, and just tell me if this video helped you, if you know how to use Photoshop and all those stuff. Subscribe and tell your friends to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye for now.